One of them that's left is the metal asteroids.
16 Psyche is an asteroid that orbits the sun out between Mars and Jupiter.
It's believed that it may be a remnant core of an early planetesimal that was...
It collided with other bodies that then stripped off the rocky mantle, leaving this core in place.
So how do we study the core of our planet?
We've been approved to go in August of 2022. It'll take a number of years to get there.
Flies past Mars, gives us a gravity assist, uses our propulsion system to then slowly creep up toward the end of 2025, getting there in early 2026.
We'll go into 4 concentrically smaller orbits to collect the necessary measurements that we need from our 3 primary instruments.
So our payload consists of a couple of imagers, which are cameras that take pictures of Psyche. Also a gamma-ray neutron spectrometer, which allows us to measure the elemental composition of the surface of Psyche. And then a magnetometer, which will allow us to detect any magnetic field that's left at Psyche.
If Psyche still has it. We also use the radio on the spacecraft as an instrument, so we can map out the gravity and map out the interior structure that way.
We're using a particular thruster technology, Hall effect thruster technology. They operate 5 times more efficiently than normal rockets, so they use a lot less fuel, and is what allows us to get into orbit around this asteroid.
We're going to have big 5-panel fold-out solar panels that will provide the electricity for the thrusters, which...
Studying the evolution of a planetary body is a detective story.
There's a magic to when you actually are